If you've got to meet some regulations at some gas pumps, we've got two different options here. This is the a UHF version. This one does require an FCC license. However, the price here does include the FCC license. And the benefit of this one is you can call individual pumps. And the pumps can also be hands-free, meaning that they don't have to push to talk. So they push the button to call you, and then from that point on, they don't have to touch the button. Now, this is just the kit that goes inside. So you have a push-to-talk handset. The inside does have to push a button. And then this is the base station that this plugs into, and you also have an antenna that plugs into that, and that's how you communicate with the stations at the pump. You can also wall mount or surface mount this thing, and you also require one of these for each pump, and sometimes you can put one per two pumps. So it just kind of depends. This connects via like a Cat5 wire to this thing, and this can be powered via 12 volts DC, and there is an antenna on it, and that's what communicates with the inside station. So you do have to have one of these per each pump as well. But like I say, this is the option if you need to have full duplex at the pump. And it can support up to 1,000 pumps, so this thing can really grow very large, and you can call, if you need to call each pump individually, you can do that. The other option, this one is license free, so this kit here represents one pump, or two if you can share one of these call boxes between the two pumps. And then if you need more pumps, then you go down here and you just simply add more of these. You can also use handheld radios, and we do have a wireless PA that works with this system as well. Now this one is a push to talk, so press and hold to talk, speak after the tone, release to listen. The instructions are right on the front of the call box. And there are 5 channels on the inside station, and you can scan all 5 channels. So if you have 5 pumps, and you can put 5 call boxes out there and know which pump is calling in by putting each one of the call boxes on a different channel. If you've got more than that, that doesn't really work. You can also just put them all on one channel, and this thing will scan the 5 channels, by the way, or you just leave it on channel 1, and whoever calls in, you're talking to that person, and they can tell you what pump they're on, or you can just probably see. This one, another benefit of it is it can be battery powered. You can put 3D batteries in for up to 7,000 transmissions. So if you don't want to run power to the call box, you don't have to. Now there is an optional 12 volt cable for it if you do want to use a 12 volt connection to it. So either one of these is a viable option for the pumps. So this one's definitely cheaper and probably a little easier as far as the install goes. So if you have any questions, just feel free to give us a call.